Write your name on the back of your paper. That way, you don't have to worry about painting over your name. Squeeze gently to get 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To make a medium blue, take a little bit of blue, then use your brush to add water from your water cup. Do you see how I'm wiping my brush on the edge of the tray to get the water to go into the little cup, and then I'm mixing it? To make a light blue, I'm going to need a lot more water. This bigger brush makes it faster to add water. Now you have dark blue, medium blue, and light blue to paint with. If you want to test your colors to see what they look like, you can just use the back of your paper or a piece of scratch paper. Now let's paint. I can use a technique where I paint onto the dry paper and it makes very sharp lines. Or I can use a technique where I paint where it's already wet on the paper and the lines will kind of spread out and blend. If my brush is too wet, I'll end up with puddles on my paper, and that will be really hard to control. If that happens to your painting, just grab a little piece of paper towel and blot it. Then if I wipe my brush on the edge of the tray to get off some of the extra paint, it will be easier to control the paint. Speaking of hard to control, this brush is having a bad hair day. Let me go get a different brush. What a difference a brush can make. Danger, danger, puddles up ahead. You'd better wipe some of that paint off your brush. Much better.